Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or enable remote desktop connections on your Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, and you want to select the settings gear button on the left side. When you hover over it, it says settings. Go ahead and select that. Then you want to select the system tile. And then on the left panel, scroll down and you want to select remote desktop. And on the right side, underneath enable remote desktop. So remote desktop lets you connect to and control this PC from a remote device using the remote desktop client available on Windows, Android, iOS, and Mac OS. You'll be able to work from another device as if you were working directly on this PC. Toggle remote desktop on, select confirm, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.